At Robison Service, we do a lot of work on European cars, Rolls-Royce, Maserati, Land Rover, those kinds of cars, what we usually do. But every now and then somebody brings us an interesting project like this 1963 Lincoln Continental Convertible. And in this particular car, the owner of the car, who's one of our Rolls-Royce clients, bought it, and he felt that the interior was kind of shoddy. And I guess if you compared the interior of this car as its 1963 vinyl top, the vinyl seats, the synthetic carpet, to what was in a Rolls-Royce of the day, well, I guess that's true. So he had us redo this car in the Autolux leather as is used on Rolls-Royce cars, with Wilton wool carpets and sheepskin overlays like a Rolls-Royce. So you can see as we move in close on the seats, we pulled the seats apart, and this is really high-grade English leather. You can see the thickness of it here. Contrasting stitching, which is a feature of many European cars. If you look across the seat, you'll see it's not caved in and all. That's because we rebuilt the framing. We went through the motors. Same thing in the back. On the doors, we wanted to preserve the American woodwork, but this is all done in the English leather. So really a tremendous difference from what Lincoln had built. We dyed the dashboard to match the seats. Then we recovered the sun visors also in the same leather, with this is a little bit thicker binding to go with the visors. Down on the floor, you can see instead of a molded American synthetic carpet, we used cut sheets of Wilton with jute backing. So this is carpeted like a Rolls-Royce of its day. Then we have Wilton overmats with leather edge binding, and finally, you see we made sheepskins, and you have a driver's heel pad in this thing. So this is a totally unique interior that I don't know that you'll ever see in any other Lincoln. Really a special feature, and it makes this car a whole lot nicer than any other Lincoln I have ever seen of this era. Sometimes purists decry doing anything that detracts from the car's originality, but this truly is what the inside of a Lincoln would have looked like if Rolls-Royce's coach builders had done it. I'm John Robison at Robison Service in Springfield, Mass.